Kwan mar jogo mosewito ngimagi e kaunti ma Wajir kaluwore gi tuo ma nyaldiema ochopo chiko. Maeri oyangi e kinde ma ji 282 oseyangi nogamo tuono e kaunti ma Wajir. Kanoloso e kar chiwo kony mapoya, jatend migawo mar thieth e kaunti no Abisa Ali Malim owacho ni migawo no osechuogo kuonde thieth 3 ne kony mapiyo, ka nyamburko mabiro chwalo pi bende oseketi tenge. Migawo mar thieth bende omedo kwan mar jochiw thieth mariwore kendo biro chiwo thieth kod kony n'oganda ma bende biro chiwo chiemo gi yedhe ne jotuo. Jodak makono okwa mondo mi ochung limbe mathoth magitimo ne jotuo kaka yo mar gayo landruok mar tuo no.
Out of the 5 deaths, 4 occurred in community and 1 patient succumbed in Biamado CTC. The other 4 deaths happened here in Seriba. 3 of them died in the community before they reached the facility or the CTU. And 1 patient died in our CTU.
We hope with this concerted effort, largely by the county government of Wajir, but equally by our partners, that in the near future, in the days ahead, we will have sufficiently covered every patient that is in here or those who may be admitted in the days ahead.
We have already put up our first tent. We are bringing in more pharmaceuticals. They are on the way coming. And we are posting new staff, 1 clinical officer, 2 nurses, and 1 water technician. We are bringing in, Your Excellency, food for 100 households, 60 for this village, Seriba, and 40 for Buruka. And we are going to be working very closely as Kenya Red Cross.